Welcome to the Tre Ver. Today we are currently in the heart of Potong Pasir to look at a unit that has high floor, direct unblocked view of the Kallang River. Are you ready? Let's go. Alright, so come on in. As you come into the unit here, you'll notice cabinetries have already been done for you. This is where you wear your shoes and keep all your footwear. Because the living area is a distance from the door, you enjoy a lot of privacy with your family. People outside would unlikely be able to hear your conversations that you have in the comfort of your homes. Of course, the unique selling point of this unit is the unblocked view of the Kallang River. Over here, you can enjoy a lot of variety. You can put an alfresco dining area, have your evening dinner. All you need to do is attach a ceiling fan and bring the right furniture in place. With this being said, you will also enjoy a very nice evening sun that will come into your unit, giving your unit a very unique glow. Now here, the living area is quite wide. You can always reconfigure this space to suit your family needs and to play with your children or to just sit down and spend time watching the TV. As you enter into the kitchen here, you realize that the kitchen here has a window, and this unit, what I like is really the breeze. As you come over here, you'll see that there's a stove area, sink area, and also your washer dryer. You have sufficient space to put whatever you need for your household appliances, and oven has also been built in under the cabinetry here. And of course, last but not least, you have this area, which is your utility yard area with a WC. Here is not a built-in, so you don't have to spend money hacking it. As you come into the area, here is the first bedroom. The first bedroom features a full-length glass door where you can actually look straight onto the Kallang River view as well. Okay, here, the second room. Now, there can be quite a bit of things over here, and that makes it feel a bit more smaller size, but you can still nicely fit a queen-size bed here and have ample space to walk. Over here, we have the bathroom. Okay, bathroom is very well maintained. I don't see with my naked eye any fungus or stains right now. Here is the master bedroom. Master bedroom also features the unique selling point of the unblocked view of Kallang River. What I like about this is that every morning I wake up, I can just pull my chair here, have my breakfast ready, read my newspaper, and start the day right. Now, as you note also, the balcony for the master room is not very small, it's quite sizable. You won't feel like it's a balcony that's attached to the master just for the sake of putting a balcony. Last but not least is the master bath. Master bath is indeed very spacious. See, I can actually stretch my hand, the full width of it. With this, we have come to the end of the home tour here. Alright, so this is Joshua Tan once again, and I hope you've had a great home tour together with me. If you'd like to have an exclusive viewing of this unit, you can contact me using the details below. Once again, this is Joshua Tan, and I'll see you around.